So favorited app. So here's the app. It's a kind of new trend in social media app. You can see it here. That's the app by Like Labs. And yeah, this app recently is in the top charts of the US App Store. So what is that? This is basically like a TikTok for live streams. So this is like alternative for TikTok, but it's only live streams here. So favorited apps let you go live and interact with your audience in a way you never imagined possible. Go live and build your following. Watch highly engaging live streams, interact with your favorite creators. So live streams for you, more than just video, moments you'll never forget. Kind of like alternative to TikTok again, but it's only live streams. So the app focus purely on live streams, and then you can just go to the live stream tab, and then you can see a lot of people in here. I don't know, maybe it's mainly focused on the Black community, but no, they're all like everyone's here. Then you just see like swiping, all types of streams here. Then you can see some like interesting discovery feed and who you're following, who is in top ranking right now. So you can see the numbers, who is in top rank right now. You can just go to their profiles. You can follow someone. It's like that's what it is. That's just basically what it is. So you just follow streams, and then you can go live. And if you tap red button, you can go live yourself. And the stream setting is quite advanced. You can also play a lot of games, different battles, watch memes together, and do all kinds of stuff together, and then just stream it to the public. So yeah, that's what it is basically. And give coins and get coins. Invite your friends to favorited. If they join, you will both get plus 50 coins. So invite your friends. So here's my invitation code. So feel free to use my invitation code. Here it is. That's how you can invite friends in here. So just, feel free to use this code. And where to enter it, then you just go to profile, go to settings. And then in here, you just enter in your referral code. Enter your referral code. If you have a referral code, enter it, and you and your referral will receive free coins. So that's just basically what it is, how you can get it. But you can also earn coins from your live streams. And yep, so as you can see, that's just what it is. That's the app. And then you have activity, all your notifications, your profile, settings. You can just change your picture, name. You can add a lot of links here. So all kind of socials, just add them here. And then yeah, so that's where it is. You can also just easily delete your account. That's the app. Again, it's all about just going live with this app and just trying to collect some followers. It's a good start on this app because the community is really engaging. There are a lot of people, and you can really start this app going. Of course, it's not that big as TikTok, but it can be an alternative to TikTok if TikTok actually gets banned in US. So yeah, try it out.